If you want to completely deactivate Gemini or Google Assistant on your Nothing Phone 4a or 4a Pro, then first of all we're gonna go to Settings. Now over here, once you open Settings, you should scroll down and we want to go to Google. Once you open Google Services, you want to switch to All Services in here, and then we need to scroll down in order to find Search Assistant and Voice. Now in here we want to go to Google Assistant. Even if you use Gemini, you want to go to Google Assistant. And in fact, if you do use if you use Gemini, then we need to go to Digital Assistants from Google, and we need to switch from Gemini to Google Assistant. We need to confirm that we want to do that. There we go. And of course, if you already use Google Assistant, then you can skip that step. After that, we're gonna go to the general settings in here, and we can turn off Google Assistant. There we go. Now Google Assistant and Gemini, of course, has been completely deactivated, but besides that we can also remove shortcuts that are of course available on our phone that allow us to activate Gemini or Google Assistant. So now in Settings, once again, we want to go to Special Features, then over here open the Gestures, and we have Press and Hold Power button. So instead of using Digital Assistant, we can switch to the Power menu, of course. And another thing that is worth checking out is navigation mode. And in here, if you use gesture navigation, you can tap on this setting icon and you can disable this swipe to invoke the assistant option. This is a swipe gesture that allows you to activate Gemini. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.